So in a marathon race, the times of the first three people to cross the finish line are below, in no particular order. So Joe was 3 hours and 2/3 of an hour. Jose 3 hours and 2/5 of an hour. And then Joseph was 3 3/4 of an hour. What is the time difference between the first and third place finish? All right, so we gotta subtract. That's what the word difference is. Okay. And we gotta figure out who's the first and who was the third. All right. There's several different ways you can figure this out. You can go into decimals and figure out which one's larger. You can do comparing of fractions. Since it's not too difficult to turn these into decimals, I'm just going to go ahead and use that route. So this would be 3 hours, that's the whole number, and 2/3. If you divide 2 over 3, you get the repeating decimal 6. Here, 3 and 2/5, that will be 3 and 4/10. If you divide 2 over 5, you get 4/10. And then 3 and 3/4, that's 3 and 75/100. Alright, so the first place was Jose with 3 and 4/10, and then the last place was Joseph. The problem that you have here is that the answers are all in fractions, so you need to perform the operation using the mixed numbers, not the decimals. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's take 3 and 3/4, or let's subtract 3 and 2/5 from 3 and 3/4. So the whole parts are gone, so all you have to figure out is what 3/4 minus 2/5 are. The common denominator would be 20, so you got to multiply 3/4 by 5 over 5, and then you got to multiply 2/5 by 4 over 4. So what you get here is 15/20 minus 8/20, which comes out to be 7/20 of an hour. That's your answer.